In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Affinity Photo using the Selection Brush tool. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Affinity on your computer and loading the image you want to work on. Give the document a moment to render so everything looks crisp. It helps if your subject stands out from the background. Clear contrast makes the selection faster and cleaner. Make sure your image is visible on the canvas and you can see the toolbar running down the left side of the interface. Next, look to that left toolbar and click the third tool from the top. That's the Selection Brush tool. If it looks grouped with other selection tools, just click and hold for a moment and choose Selection Brush from the small menu that appears. Across the top, you'll see options for this tool. Keep it in Add mode so everything you paint becomes part of the selection, and set a brush size that feels comfortable. You can quickly resize by using the left and right bracket keys and zoom in for precision using Command or Control plus the plus and minus keys. Now brush over the area you want to keep. This is your subject. As you paint, you'll see a marching ant's outline following the edges it detects. Take your time around hair, fur, or fine details. Use a smaller brush there in short strokes so the edge snaps neatly. If the selection grabs more than you intended, hold Option or Alt while brushing to subtract, or switch to subtract mode on the top bar and gently paint the excess away. Don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first pass. You can toggle between adding and subtracting to get it just right. A soft brush edge often helps blend tricky boundaries. Once you're happy with the outline and the area you want to keep is fully covered, simply press Enter. That applies the selection and removes the background around your subject, revealing transparency in those areas. You should see your subject cleanly isolated, with the checkerboard pattern indicating there's no background. If you spot small halos or stray bits, undo, refine the selection with a smaller brush, and press Enter again. And that's it. Done. You've removed the background using just one tool and a single confirm action. Save your work in a format that supports transparency, like PNG, if you plan to place this cutout onto other designs. With a little practice, this quick method becomes a reliable way to isolate subjects cleanly and efficiently.